Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Runway for AI video automation workflows detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Runway's official website. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. On the login page, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding password field. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Runway dashboard. Here, you can explore various AI video automation workflows available for use. If you have not created an account yet, you will need to do so by selecting the Sign Up option. Input the required information to create a new account. After your account is set up, you can return to the login page and follow the earlier steps to sign in. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection. Ensure that your email and password are entered correctly without any typos. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Runway's support team for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.